Hey Holmes, welcome to part 2 of why stray dogs are not the problem. In part 1, I mostly focused on why the Supreme Court order is dumb, inhuman, and will not solve the problem. In this follow part 2, let's discuss why stray animals themselves are not a problem that we need to solve. Ford gave a press statement that the judiciary bears the solemn responsibility to possess the courage and the strength to remind the people of truths that they may not like or prefer not to hear, which is a good statement. So let's talk about some truths. If we look at the recorded cases of fatal injuries from stray animal attacks, it's not zero, but it's negligible. And even if you look into the number of recorded cases of dog bites, it's a little higher, but it's still negligible and not alarming. Portion of them are not actually attacks. A huge portion of them are just accidents. The number of recorded deaths by rabies is zero for Delhi and some other regions since 2022. This is government data itself. And even if you get to the number of recorded cases of fatal injuries and attacks, it's negligible, especially if you compare to other recorded cases and numbers such as the number of recorded cases of animal abuse and other even more serious crimes like rape, murder, etc. And I feel those are a lot more important issues to be solved. And when it comes to rabies, the solution is not relocating the animals, the solution is sterilizing the animals, vaccinating the animals, and having rabies vaccine itself accessible, affordable, and easy to reach for a common person when they accidentally show off symptoms of rabies, not relocating the animals. And as I mentioned about vaccinating the animals and sterilizing it, the government already has significant number of schemes, processes, and grants and overall fund allocated for that use. And those funds are being used on paper. But if you look into the animals around you, you will find almost none of them are vaccinated or sterilized. So the question should not be why the animals are there, or the question should be where is the money going? So maybe Supreme Court needs to follow what they're preaching and make decisions based on truth instead of making a knee-jerk sentimental response to a sensationalized, very rare news of someone dying of a dog bite.